Okay, so we talked about life being, or carbon being the atom of life. And we've looked at a couple of diagrams that show you that a lot of the molecules that make up you, and that are organic, that means stuff having to do with life, stuff, molecules around you have a carbon frame with oxygens and hydrogens stuck to it. And that's what we had with the gummy bear, with glucose. And you can see that the oxygen in the air reacted with the hydrogens mostly around it. So water was created and some smoke. There was definitely, some carbon stuff going in there. But if you look at the test tube, what's left behind is that carbon frame. Okay, all the oxygen reacted all the hydrogen away, and we've got this black pile of gunk, kind of like dragon gunk, which is what I call that demonstration that I did at my house with the liquid and the granular white stuff that was sugar. That was just white sugar, and I poured in sulfuric acid, and it took away the hydrogen and the oxygen and left behind just the carbon. And there was a lot of energy. You saw the bubbling and expansion, the moving of that. So that was the first thing that I wanted to show you. The second thing that I want to talk about briefly is another way of reacting stuttva. Okay, so this candle, I'm going to leave it right here, is stuttva, and it will react with oxygen, but they have to get together. So how can they get together? So if you look at any candle flame, I'm guessing that you can see this here, what you will notice is that the high temperature is causing the wax, that's the stuttva, to go up into the room where it comes in contact with oxygen. And so for it to react, it's got to be up out of the candle. And so that's where the candle flame happens, is up above. And hopefully you can see that there. Okay, the last thing is I'm going to do kind of the same thing here. This is DragonBreath, like Annabelle's exemplary journal entry, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to fill the air with stuttva, so the oxygen can touch it a lot. There's a lot of surface area contact, and I'm going to raise the temperature. So this one usually doesn't work, but I'm going to give it one try. Here we go. Now I'm going to fill the air with glucose. Nothing but powdered sugar, right? And oxygen and high temperature. Okay, so if you give the oxygen and the glucose some energy so that the molecules are moving faster, there are more collisions, there are more intense collisions, you give them a chance to react, and they will. And when they do, they release energy and carbon dioxide is formed. And I will at some point find a way to go over that equation with you. It might not even happen this week. Okay, thanks for watching.